Hey ladies, long time no see, and I know I've been starting off my videos like that a lot lately. I don't know if I'll ever give you guys like a full detailed what's been going on, but anyways, we are back with another Love Me hair wig install. Today I'm showing you guys their ready to go natural black water wave short curly bob glueless minimalist HD lace pre-cut lace closure wig. The curls literally come perfect. This is exactly how it looks straight out the box. So our focus today is going to be a very simple ready to wear type of wig, a wig that you don't really have to do too much with. All right, well, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. They send gifts, of course. This is 100% human hair, 150% density, and it is 14 inches. I have this wig in natural black. Now this lace, you guys, is a minimalist lace, so it's only a one parting style type of lace. So just keep that in mind. And the wig cap does have the adjustable straps in the back, not that big adjustable elastic band that some of the Love Me hair wigs have, just the little straps. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, add some foundation, throw on the wig per the usual. You guys know how I do. I'm gonna do the same thing that I do in every single wig tutorial, but I do just want to let you guys know that although I have this wig in natural black, they do have a nice blonde highlighted version of this one as well. I'm giving you guys a close-up of this lace. As you can see here, this HD lace is amazing. This is how it looks without any product, you guys. It looks very natural, very skin-like. So you can leave the lace with no product. As you guys can see, it looked really nice. So you can just add a little bit more foundation and go about your day. Me personally, I do like to add a little bit of spray, some lace melting spray on my lace closure wigs. That's a preference of mine. You do not need to do that. That's why I wanted to show you guys what it looked like before I did anything. But anyways, while I have the lace doing its thing, I'm just going in with just a little bit of water. The curls on this wig came very beautifully done. And honestly, I didn't feel the need to comb it out and do a whole curly hair routine. Like, I just didn't really think that was necessary. So I just used some water to just touch up some pieces. I also went in with my wax stick as well. Now, if you were to go ahead and do a full curly hair routine, let's say you don't really like the way the curls came out the box, that's 100% okay. I would prefer that you use mousse instead of a hard gel, because this is of a loose water wave texture, so it doesn't need any type of harsh product. Now, after I sprayed a little bit of water, I decided to go in with my wax stick just to kind of help with some of the flyaways that was on the hair. So I'm about to take this elastic band off, and now I'm just going to add a little bit of foundation on top of the lace as well as in that parting space. So now I'm just going to cut some of those like loose strands off of the wig. Sometimes when you're like detangling with your fingers and stuff like that, you get like those little strangly pieces. So I just cut them off. So this is how the curls look, you guys. It's so pretty, and that lace is everything. It looks so natural and it looks so skin-like. They did a really good job. I'm in love with the texture. I'm in love with the flow. I'm just in love with the fact that this took me like less than 30 minutes to do, and it probably would have taken me even less than that if I wasn't filming, because you know I got to stop and get close-ups and do all that good stuff for you guys. Anywho, if you did not know, I do have a discount code with Love Me Hair, and it's just SejaydaF. Okay, that is my discount code. If it updates in the future, I would try to remember to update my description box. That way you guys can go ahead and get some money off of your wigs. Inflation these days is crazy. I know you guys are feeling it because I'm feeling it, and things are just not the same anymore. So any good deal, I'm all here for it. This is very cute, very beginner friendly, very everyday friendly, very 9-to-5 friendly, church friendly, quick little outing. This would actually be perfect for the summer as well. So go ahead and make sure you click the link in my description box. That way you can go ahead and get the wig ahead of time. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys as always, and I miss you guys. Hopefully I have a lot more coming. I will see you guys next time.